attractive, but like I've never. It's the first time I've been attracted to someone like you. Yeah. Yeah.
Black?
I'm not saying anything, but honestly, I think you're hot.
Just say it if you've never liked a black person. I don't get this. Just say it.
Well, I know people might say that's weird, so whatever. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
No, I'm saying like, yeah.
So yeah, I'm black.
Like no, not like that. Like, don't make it weird, all right?
Yeah, I'm the one.
Yeah, I'll miss you.
It's fun.
I'll probably see y'all tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah. Good night. Your hand is so warm too, right?